Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hi guys, this is Simran welcoming you back on our live chat session, and the guest who will be joining us for this live is going to be Shantanu Maheshwari. I am waiting for Shantanu to send in a request, or tab tak all you have to do is start sending never have I ever questions. Because हम उनके साथ एक never have I ever segment करेंगे in the live itself. So yes.
Yep, it is an internet issue.
Okay. हाँ ठीक है, I think it's better. But yes, finally, welcome to the live. And firstly, I want to know what is your quarantine 2.0 like?
I'm not repeating myself, guys. It's boring. It seems as if I'm repeating a script or something. But yeah, in short, it's going decent. I have my time.
Right.
You feel like,
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
No, not thoda zyada ho raha hai. It's just that you feel like meeting your friends
हाँ.
because you are restricted in a way, like, you can't go out.
Right.
So, otherwise, it's all cool. All fun. Fun to spend time with your family. Yeah.
And we see कि आप बहुत सारी cleaning and all of the like mopping and वो सब के videos share कर रहे हो. Because what is it that's keeping you busy throughout the day?
There are a lot of डेली शोर्स तो है ही उसके अलावा ये लाइव्स हो जाते हैं कुछ कुछ ऐसे इट्स फन आई जस्ट वॉच फ्यू लाइव्स एंड जस्ट अगर कुछ जिनको मैं जानता हूँ अच्छे से तो मैं तो परेशान भी करता हूँ इससे थोड़ी देर पहले बट otherwise I like I dance at times. I try to learn something new. Reading.
Right.
तो यार यही सब चलता रहता है.
अच्छा, as you know कि हम अभी इससे पहले we were live with Brushika and उन्होंने हमें कुछ secrets बताए which you must have seen. What is your?
So I couldn't. I don't know what she answered or anything. I don't know.
अच्छा, so basically she said कि Shantanu used to get like Ziploc bags में some dry fruits और वो भी एकदम कम, तो मतलब ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता था उससे.
एटलीस्ट मैं लेकर तो आता था, बाकी कौन लेकर आता था.
Right. And second thing that she said was कि you sing really well.
Yeah.
So आपको कुछ आ का आलाप लेने बोला है उन्होंने.
जैसे उसका कौवे का स्वर है वैसे मुझे ऐसे कुछ आलाप नहीं आता. वो तो ऐसे ही वो टाइम पास कर रही होगी. तो यार
And
पड़ेगा.
she also shared with us some prank that you all did with Sneha while y'all were shooting in Manor or somewhere. And Sneha ended up. Do you have also some memories of pranks which you all did on D3 का set? Because a lot of your fans would be interested in knowing that.
यार बड़े बड़े ऐसे प्रैंक्स हम नहीं करते थे, वो एक दो ही किए होंगे. सो आई एम श्योर हर किसी ने लाइक वन ऑफ द किसी ना किसी मेंबर ने तो शेयर किया ही है ये वाला. सो
राइट.
बाकी हम लोग सब सिचुएशनल करते थे. सब बेफू तो बनाना है वो सब सिचुएशनल में बनाते थे. सो दैट यूज्ड टू बी द केस. बट एज सच ऐसे प्रैंक ये सब बनाकर कुछ हम लोग ने बहुत ज्यादा नहीं किया.
Acha, there is Jimmy Maria asking you pick one, acting or dancing.
I don't have to. So I won't pick one.
If you had to pick one, which is like closer to your heart, probably. Or you don't want to pick one.
They both are, but it's just that dance came first in my life, so I will say maybe dance I will pick. But yeah.
Right. There is Shantanu's Magical World asking, what was your reaction when you got to know that Sanjay sir is going to take your auditions? Sanjay Leela Bansali.
No comments.
There is okay. There is Brave Soul Shifi asking, would you ever want to be a part of a reality show like Big Boss?
Yeah, ever is a very long term and very vague in terms of the timelines. But
Right.
I don't know. as of now, I don't think I'm cut out for those kind of shows, because I don't think I'll be offering much of entertainment, or that's not my kind of shows that I want to be part of as of now. So, yeah. No.
Right. There is Koyal Sikdar asking, what is your favorite Vrushan dance memory from D3?
Favorite dance memory? Dance memory.
Any performance? Because like you've done so many. There was I think a performance in every episode.
मुझे लाल इश्क बहुत पसंद है. लाल इश्क, फिर वो हाय रामा, I don't know, वो
Right.
वो performances ने बहुत कुछ सिखाया है. So they are like special to me.
There is Anamika asking, Dil Dosti Dance का next season कब आएगा? And on that note only, I think it's good to ask you कि this IGTV series that you guys have started, people are loving it so much. Tell us what was the thought behind it, and how was it shooting like alone at home and then seeing the compilation?
Okay, firstly for season, if you guys want to see the Dosi dance back, it's not up to us, guys. You'll have to आप
Right.
लोगों को Star Plus पर रिक्वेस्ट पड़ेगी, because हम लोगों के हाथ में नहीं होता. And about this one is just an interesting, I mean, thing to do. Palki Malhotra ji, she came up with this idea. So I mean, you know, she's genius in terms of thoughts and everything. And हम लोग
Right.
ऐसे उस दिन, like we have like all people are there in the group, so we are actually discussing, sort of coming up with something like this, and it just happened. So it was not like a planned thing that, you know, lockdown hai, to it was nothing like that. But yeah, we got a very good response. People were so happy to see. We also had fun to, like, you know, playing our characters after such a long time. So बस उस मजे मजे में बन गया. So yeah.
And because you know सबने I think अपना अपना individual part अलग अलग से shoot किया है, and
हाँ,
when you guys are also seeing the edit now, मतलब like what's your reaction like?
नहीं तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब अपने अपने से शूट किया, तो ऐसा नहीं कि they are given the things that they are supposed to say and shoot.
हाँ
तो
हाँ
ऐसा
वो तो है, but like when you see the complete outcome जो बाद में होता है, like
as a viewer, I think if I'm sure people are also who have watched it
Right.
have had like a good laugh or had fun,
हाँ.
because मुझे तो उसमें भी मजा आ रहा था कि in terms of like even if I was not a D3 fan, तो भी मुझे समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है, and it's just fun to, like, you know,
हाँ.
something like that.
Anamika is asking you your favorite dance sequence of the entire group.
Of the entire group, वो एक NDC का performance था कुछ, I think qualifiers का performance था, वो अटक मटक, and the final performance as well. So, yeah.
There is Upadhyay Tanushri saying, Shantanu,
बोल रहा हूँ मैं, हाँ.
Shantanu, please share your dance videos on YouTube.
ठीक है. Okay.
Is that something that you've given a thought to? कि YouTube पे you want to like share more?
As of now, no. I just, but yes, definitely would love to collaborate. That's why I said, जब वो वृश्चिका का भी वो चल रहा था, वो बात करते, would love to collaborate and choreography, because you
Right.
know, मैंने तो बहुत
And
बार
she
कर
said कि she'll make you do Kathak.
लिया.
How excited are you
बहुत
for that?
tough होगा मेरे लिए, but it's going to be fun to learn Indian classical
Right.
form. So, yeah.
There is Hetal asking you any funny or cute childhood memory which you can share. Let me connect again and see.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
हाँ.
मैं यही
अब आ रही है.
बोल रहा था कि
सब
जन्माष्टमी
नो
की
नो लिख रहे हैं.
अब तो आ रही होगी ना यार, ऐसा मत बोलो.
हाँ अब आ रही है.
तो यार वही जन्माष्टमी के समय मुझे कृष्ण भगवान का
जन्माष्टमी
पूरा वो कॉस्ट्यूम पहना के बैठा देते थे कि पता नहीं कुछ तो होने वाला है, और मैं भी बैठ जाता था पहन के, और फिर एक या दो फोटो खींचते थे, भी लाइक आई डोंट नो, इट वाज वेरी फनी एंड वियर्ड फॉर मी, बट या आई मीन ठीक है, it's fun, it's funny.
Okay.
When I hear it now.
And as I told you, कि if you can have a glass of water or something with you, so do you have your
Yes.
glass of water or coffee or whatever you would like to sip on? Perfect. So guys,
Yes.
ये पानी का ग्लास इसीलिए है शांतनु के पास, cause we didn't want to make this very repetitive and same questions, cause literally everybody is going live every day, and just to add a sort of twist, we are going to ask him never have I ever questions. I've also asked you guys to send me your questions, so I'm going to take some of those as well. So Shantanu, are you ready? I'm putting the first question here. There is
Yeah,
Tanya Vrushan asking, never have you ever stolen something from set?
मैं तो बहुत चुराया हूँ, मैं तो बहुत चुराता था, बोल के चुरा, एक्चुअली चुराना फीलिंग, ये मुझे चाहिए सुबह से.
हाँ, just like memory types. Okay. Next is never. This we have to answer. Never have I ever been in a live without a network glitch.
ये क्वेश्चन
उस क्वेश्चन के बाद ही हाँ
दिखा दिया.
Okay, next question is never have you ever sung in the shower?
You do, one has done so.
Okay. Next is never have you ever had a cooking disaster?
Never.
You've never had a cooking disaster?
I didn't.
Have you tried to cook या फिर मतलब कभी try नहीं किया तो disaster ही नहीं हुआ?
जब ट्राई किया तब उतने अपने रेंज में ही दाएं से, I knew what I was.
कि मतलब कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना हो, ऐसा नहीं सीधा केक से शुरू करो.
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं किया मैंने.
Right. Okay. Next is and this is like abhi quarantine edition wala. Never have you ever slipped while mopping the floor?
Yup.
Okay. And जब तक voice आ रही है, let's just go on with the questions.
Yeah, cover to it. Yeah.
Next is slipped while mopping the floor.
No.
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 Okay. Next up, try to touch your nose with your tongue.
Yeah.
Fiery Aniket is asking, never have you ever sleepwalked?
No.
No.
Never.
Have you had a roomie or somebody around जो sleepwalking करता है?
नहीं, मैंने देखा नहीं, पर मुझे देखना है क्या होता है. Like क्या करते हैं लोग ऐसा, यार. Tough to explain.
Right. Never have you ever pretended to know someone at a party? And Upadhyay Tanushri is asking, never have you ever felt like running away from a party?
Running away, I don't know, but
To like, मतलब अभी like पक रहा है. Okay. Never have you ever played Candy Crush?
never.
नहीं. Never have you ever actually laughed out loud when you typed LOL?
Yeah.
Okay. Next is creeped out of someone on social media.
No. Never.
There is Anamika asking, never have you ever ditched your friends for a plan? Are you one of those जो last minute पे like plans cancel करता है?
Yes, I'm saying quickly खत्म करते हैं. I don't think मेरा नेटवर्क जो है
यो
वो इतना इंटरनेट
या
झेल
आई
पा रहा है.
थिंक किसी का इंटरनेट तो प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है.
Yeah.
Palki ma'am is writing, he has dished us many times for parties.
Oh yes.
Okay,
उन्होंने
and
अब नहीं किया होगा I'm sure, but yeah, it's okay.
okay, last two are never have you ever had a upset tummy on shoot?
अरे we all.
Okay. There is Priyanshi asking you, never have you ever played Ludo or
I've
PUBG?
not played Ludo or I have not played as in Ludo King or PUBG. I have never played.
Really? What sort of this is ये हर एक ग्रुप में होता है. Never have you ever made Goa plans?
हम लोगों ने जब भी बनाया हम लोग जाकर आए. So हमेशा.
अच्छा.
But अब मेरा है. So yeah, but yeah, one plan is still due. So वो नहीं. So yeah.
And the last question is, never have you ever lied during this game?
No, I have not lied. There's one interesting question. Never have you ever done Please Take My Name? अच्छा, अनामिका ने पूछा है. _अनामिका _ ने पूछा है. Offbeat. Yeah, we have danced offbeat. कितनी बार तो हुआ है. हाँ, बहुत बार.
अच्छा, this is like a current this thing question. Never have you ever watched Ramayana?
Yes. Those.
अच्छा, you've been watching every day.
Yes, lunch and dinner. We record it and we watch it. It's super
Perfect.
fun. Yeah.
And thank you so much that you took out time and spoke to us. Lastly, before we end this, what if you can take a few names and give a quick message for everybody?
So, Alia ने बोला है कि you should definitely play Ludo. Okay, I will try and play. I've heard that it's too much fun. Thank you so much, guys, for all the love. Thank you so much. Favorite dances with Ray Ishak Zade. That किसने पूछा ये? अनामिका ने पूछा. That's about it, guys. Keep washing your hands time to time and take proper precautions. Stay safe, guys. Stay safe.
Thank you so much, Shantanu, for taking out time. Take care, and we'll hope that we meet soon in person and do this in a better way. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
Take care. Take care. So, guys, that was Shantanu Maheshwari. After like 10 times, we faced a glitch during this live. I'm not sure कि internet issue कहाँ से problem थी. Probably it was from his side or my side. I'm not too sure, but I will try to get it fixed if it's from my side. And I think that's about it. That's all that we have for you from this live. I'm sure थोड़ा बहुत glitches था, but okay. So barring that, ये live को मैं save करूंगी for now, and YouTube पे. So if you don't want to like see all the glitches and all of that, वो सारे glitches को हम हटा देंगे with editing, and फिर we are going to put it up on YouTube. तो बिना glitches के अगर आपको ये live देखना है तो YouTube पे जाके देखिए. Tasha is saying no problems, good try. Thank you so much, Tasha, for keeping up. And yeah, that's all that I have for y'all. Anamika is writing thank you. Fiery Aniket is writing thank you. Thank you guys for sustaining through this live. I know there were a lot of glitches. I think there was some internet issue from either of our sides, and yeah, if you want to see this live without any glitches and an edited version, it's going to go up on YouTube. Handle का नाम है India Forums. India Forums digital launch हो चुका है. Please go and make sure that you check that out as well. And yeah, that's all that I have for y'all. See you at 7 with Mumbaikar Nikhil, aka Nikhil Sharma. Bye.
Check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.